second set, it is a very regular question, blood relations with combination of symbols. It means here you will be given some symbols with their meanings that you can see when you read if you read the data, you will come to understand that. Uh, in a small town lived a close-knit family where every relation could be expressed through simple symbols. As I told you, you will be given symbols. For instance, when they said A cross B, it means that A is the father of B. Now, when you are answering this kind of questions, you have to be very careful that the order given here A cross B and the relationship they given here A is the father of B. Is the order is same or not, that we have to check. Yes, in this case the order is same. If the order is same, no need to worry about that. If order is different, while answering the questions, we have to be very careful. Now, while A divided by B meant A is the mother of B. Again, the order is same, AB. And the relationship is a mother. Wherever you see the divided by, the relationship to be what? A mother. The younger ones were often introduced with A plus B. Plus, meaning A was the daughter of B. A was the daughter of B. Again, order is same. A, B. So you have to be very careful regarding the order. Now, and the bond of brotherhood was shown by A minus B. A minus B means A is a brother of B. A is a brother of B. Here also order is same. A comes first and then B comes next. One day, the children in the family turned these symbols into a playful code. Instead of introducing their parents and siblings in words, they spoke only in symbols. Look, giggled little Meena, M plus N divided by O. Everyone laughed because they knew it meant Meena was the M plus N. What is the M plus N stands for? Plus. A was the daughter of B. So M plus N stands for M is the daughter of N. M was the daughter of N. And what about N divided by O? N is the mother of O. Where Meena is the daughter of N, N was the mother of O. Simple. Making her O sister. What started as a code soon became a family game, making the bonds of the father, mother, daughter, and brother not just relations but symbols of love and togetherness. Okay, I hope you understood the entire concept. So basically, what they are trying to say is wherever you see the cross, you have to use the father relation. Wherever you see the divided by, you have to use the mother relation. Wherever you see the plus symbol, you have to use the relationship of daughter. Wherever you see the minus relation, you have to use the wherever you see the minus symbol, you have to use the brother relation. Okay, let's see the questions. Right, P plus Q minus R divided by T. So first take the P plus Q relation. P plus Q means P was the daughter of Q. So P was the daughter to Q. So P will be in the lower generation and Q will be in the higher generation, where minus stands for female. Okay, next. And I do not know the gender of Q as of now. Now, what is the second statement says? Q minus R. A minus means a brother. So Q is the brother of R. So both belongs to the same generation. Q is the brother of R. Next. Finally, R divided by T. R divided by T means R is the mother of T. R is the mother of T. R is the mother of T. And we do not know the gender of T. T could be male or it could also be a female. And these two people, Q and R, are siblings. Now, what is the question asked? How is T related to P? How is T related to P? The relation between T and P is actually cousin. Okay, let me check once again. P plus Q means P is the daughter of Q. Okay, Q minus R means Q is the brother of R. R divided by T means R was the mother of T. Now the question, how is T related to P? The actual answer is a cousin, which is not available. So none of these. So correct answer for this question is none of these. Though the gender of T is not known, we can say that they are cousins. Next one. which of the following means that R is wife of P? So here we have given a relation. R is wife of P. So we have to substitute the each and every choice and we have to check that which option is satisfying that condition. Now let's go to the option A. Option A. What is the option A? P into R. P into R means P is the father of R. So basically here R is the wife of P means R should be female and P should be male. Okay. So as of now P is male here. Nothing wrong with that. And R should be wife of P. But when it is P cross R, we are getting the relation P is the father of R. So straight away option A is ruled out. Now let's check the option B. Now according to the option B, P divided by T means P is a mother. P is the mother of T. Next, T plus R. Was the daughter of R. No, T was the daughter of R. But basically, I can rule out the option directly here because P here is female. But when R is wife of P, P has to be male, R has to be female. But here I got P as a female. So even option B is also ruled out. Okay. Now let's move further. Third option. P divided by R. P divided by R means P is the mother of R. Again, same. So P I am getting as a female. So option C is also ruled out. Now the only option we left with D. But let us verify it. P cross T. What is that? P is the father of T. P is the father of T. T minus Q. T is the brother of Q. Q plus R. Q was the daughter of R. Now look at these two are siblings and P and R are parents of this. P is a P and R are couple then P is male, R will be female. That's it. How simple it is? Choice T. Right. Let's see the next question. Right. Now what is given here? Now here we have given an equation. We have to just draw the family tree and we have to identify the relationship among them. How is R related to P? What is the equation given? P cross T. P cross T means P is the father of T. P is the father of T. Right. Next, T divided by Q. First P cross T is completed. Now T divided by Q. T divided by Q means T is the mother of Q. T is the mother of Q. Oh, fine. Now next one. Q plus R. Q plus R means Q was the daughter of R. Q was the daughter of R. So T and R are couple. T is female, so R will be a male. Now this is the relation that we got from the family tree. But the question asked, how is R related to P? Daughter's husband. Daughter's husband will be son-in-law. So answer to the question is son-in-law. Choice C. Fine. Let's see the next question. Again, if P divided by R minus Q into T, how is P related to T? Okay. P divided by R. P is the mother of R. P is the mother of R. Next. This part is completed. Now R minus Q. R minus Q means a brother. R is a brother of Q. Next. Q cross T. Q is the father of T. Q is the father of a T. So T gender is not known. T may be male or T may be female. Now, what is the question asked? How is P related to T? Right. These two people are siblings. So for these two people, parent is P. So T's father's mother. Father's mother will be grandmother. Choice A. Fine. Right. Let's see the next question. Again. R divided by Q plus R into T. What is R divided by Q? R is a mother of Q. R is a mother of Q. And again, Q plus R. Q is the daughter of R. Okay. Q is the daughter of R. R divided by Q means R is the mother of Q. Q plus R means Q was the daughter of R. Okay, fine. Next, R cross T. Huh. Here it is data inconsistent. Data is not consistent. R cross T means again R I am getting as a male, but already from the previous data it is clearly given R is a female. So your data is contradicting with each other. Even examiner is also given the same thing. Question is removed. Okay, marks are awarded. Right. Let's see the next question. R minus P divided by J into Q. What is R minus P? R minus P. R is a brother of P. R is a brother of P. Both are belong to same generation. Next, P divided by J. A P is a mother of J. A P is a mother of J. P is a mother of J. Next, J cross Q. A J is a father of Q. A J is the father of Q. Right. And we do not know the gender of Q. Q may be male or Q may be of female. Now, the question is, how is J related to R? J. Here to here the relationship is brother and son. So, brother son we call as nephew. So, answer to the question is nephew. Choice B. Clear? Right.